Welcome back to my channel. For this project I used double knit weight yarn in black, red and green, crochet hooks 3.5mm and 3mm, yarn needle and scissors. Approximate finished size is 2 inches. List of the abbreviations I used is in the description. Round 1. Using a 3.5mm hook and black yarn in a magic ring, chain 1 and single crochet 8. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Slip stitch 1 into the first stitch of the round. Cut your yarn and fasten off, and sew loose ends. Round 2. Use a 3.5mm hook and rejoin the red yarn in any stitch on round 1. Chain 4 and treble 2 in the same stitch. Treble 2 in the same stitch 3 times. Chain 4 and slip stitch 1 into the same stitch. Slip stitch 1 into the next stitch. Chain 3 and double crochet 2 in the same stitch. Double crochet 2 in the same stitch 3 times. Chain 3 and slip stitch 1 into the same stitch. Cut your yarn, fasten off, sew and trim loose ends. For the leaf, using a 3mm hook and green yarn, chain 7. From the back loop of the second chain, slip stitch 1, single crochet 1, half double crochet 1, double crochet 1, half double crochet 1, and single crochet 1. Cut your yarn, fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Sew the leaf to the back of the poppy. Trim any loose ends and your Remembrance Day poppy is complete. Okay, love you, bye.